DFW housing, from tech boom to market cooldown. What's really happening in Frisco area and beyond? 3 years ago, buying a house in Frisco area felt like the Hunger Games. Multiple offers, no inspections, someone paying cash from another time zone. Fast forward to today, houses are still selling, Frisco area is still growing, but suddenly homes are sitting longer, buyers are picky, and sellers are sweating. Let's start with tech, because tech jobs have been a huge reason people moved to DFW in the first place. 3 to 5 years ago, DFW was in full tech boom mode, companies relocating, remote workers fleeing California prices, and suddenly Frisco area Prosper and Little Elm became very popular zip codes. If you worked in tech and owned a hoodie, you were legally required to consider moving to Texas. But here's the key, tech jobs still matter. They're just not driving housing the same way anymore. Today, tech makes up a meaningful but smaller slice of overall job growth. Layoffs, hiring freezes, and return to office changes cooled the frenzy. Tech didn't disappear, it normalized. Now let's talk home prices. From 2020 to 2022, prices in Frisco area and nearby areas skyrocketed, double-digit gains year after year. Why? Low interest rates plus tech money plus limited supply equals chaos. Houses sold so fast you didn't tour them. You just nodded at the listing photo. Today, prices are still higher than 3 years ago, but growth has slowed, flattened, or even dipped slightly. This isn't a crash, it's a cool down. Buyers hit affordability limits, and sellers can't just name their price anymore. So if Frisco area is growing, why are homes sitting longer? Simple answer. Monthly payments matter more than population growth. Interest rates jumped from around 3% to 6 to 7%. That turned the same house into a much bigger monthly bill. Same house, same walls, but the payment now feels emotionally damaging. Add more inventory, more new construction, and buyers suddenly have choices. In 2021, buyers said, "I'll take it." In 2025, buyers say, "I'll think about it," and compare 4 others. This shift affects more than just real estate. When homes slow down, construction cools, furniture and home services slow, consumer spending becomes cautious. But here's the important part. This is actually healthy. It means people aren't panic buying. They're making rational decisions. A slower housing market doesn't mean a weak economy, it means a balanced one. Now let's talk about the future. Because Frisco area isn't done growing. Universal Kids Resort is coming, major PGA tournaments continue. Nothing says housing demand like golf fans and kids who just discovered roller coasters. So what's the outlook? Either way, Frisco area and surrounding areas remain long-term strong, just no more instant flips. DFW housing didn't break, it grew up. Tech isn't gone, demand isn't gone. The market just stopped running on adrenaline. If you're buying, selling, or just watching, understanding why things changed matters more than guessing what happens next. Like, subscribe, and let us know. Do you think rates or growth will matter more next year?